Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So in case you are thinking about getting your teeth aligned and you are planning to go with invisible braces, then you must watch this video. In this video I'll be explaining how I come to the decision that I have to go for invisible braces or I should go for metal braces. So I have decided to go for my teeth alignment. You can see I have gap in my teeth on the upper teeth as well as on the lower teeth as well. So I inquired about metal braces, some braces which attach to the teeth but are invisible with an invisible thread, and invisible braces. So I made a decision that I'll go for Invisalign or you can say invisible braces. So if you want to know more about invisible braces and why I am opting for that reason, please keep watching this video. So when I consulted the doctor, the first decision, even before consulting the doctor, the first decision was whether I should go for aligning my teeth or not. After 30, if your bite is proper, if your teeth are proper, there is not much issue, you are not much concerned about the look, then you can live with that. But I thought this is the gap in my teeth, this side is fine. At this side you can see that this teeth is going behind my frontal teeth, and this teeth keep going behind my this front teeth, and it is not very comfortable feeling. So I was thinking that I should go for aligning my teeth so that all the teeth are aligned properly. So when I decided finally that I have to go for my teeth alignment procedure, then I was thinking that whether I should go for metal braces or I should go for invisible braces, Invisalign. So I contacted few dentists in India. So those dentists, for metal braces there were two options. I can go for traditional metal braces, which everybody will see, and they will be tied up with the wire. And apart from that, there was another option to go with invisible brackets. They are the brackets attached to your teeth along with tied with an invisible plastic wire or something like that, but they are very minimal visible. So that was the case with under doctor supervision if I am going for my teeth alignment using braces, traditional braces. So the cost in India was around 40 to 70,000 for traditional braces in India, and for Invisalign it was going above 2.5 lakhs. But in US, if I would have gone for traditional braces under the supervision of doctor, it would have costed me something around $6,000 to $7,000. But on the other hand, invisible braces are costing, if you go for Invisalign, it is gonna cost you around $4,000 to $5,000, something like that. And if you go for some other companies which provide invisible aligners in somewhat affordable cost, then it's gonna be around $2,000. So there are multiple companies apart from Invisalign. They are called Smile Direct Club, Smile Love, Candid. They provide invisible aligners. So then when I decided that in US it's better to go for invisible aligners, so then I decided which company to go for. Then I was searching on the Google, and I saw this ad by Smile Direct Club that they are offering free scan, some goodies along with $25 gift card, no commitment. You just go there, get your teeth scanned, and you decide if you want to go for it or not. So I went there. I got this this bag. Apart from this bag, I got this LED light thing, which you have to put in your mouth for the teeth whitening. Apart from that, I got this whitener pen which immediately whites your teeth, this one. And the bag I have already shown you, and this lip balm. So these goodies I got, and apart from $25 gift card and no commitment. So I got my teeth scanned, and that was a digital scan, very good technology. I will show you that video also. They scanned my teeth. You can see that this is the upper gap, this is the lower gap. This side is fine, but this teeth is going behind my front teeth. So this is the problem thing, and because of the gap, the food was getting stuck in between the teeth. That was also one of my problem area that I didn't want it to happen. So yeah, in India, even though the traditional braces were costing cheap, I'm coming to USA, and it will be difficult to get the supervision from doctor in India if I'm coming here, and the doctor here will not touch that case because those metal braces were not fitted by them, so they won't touch it. So yeah, there was no option to get metal braces done from India and then come back to US. No, that was a big no because nobody is gonna touch that braces. You have to get that removed, and that's a full waste. Apart from that, when I decided to go for invisible braces, I came close to this Smile Direct Club. Initially I made the payment for Smile Love, and that company, after once the COVID shutdown happened last year March, they stopped replying, and yeah, I paid around $1,500 but yeah, I started inquiring that what I mean, I have paid the full money, $1,500. I mean, are you gonna give me anything? But there was no reply. So that's a content for another video. I don't want to extend this content too much. So yeah, when I came to conclusion that Smile Direct Club is the way to go forward, I got my scan done. They digitally scan these teeth, and they asked me to get doctor's approval. So the doctor approval is very necessary because if you have any gum disease and if you keep wearing those plastic braces, the teeth might come out along with the root. So that's a danger that your dentist need to approve that you don't have any gum disease or any teeth problem, so that the invisible braces might harm your teeth. So that approval I had to take from my doctor. After taking that approval, they already had my digital teeth scan and they gave me a new smile. In this video you can see what type of a smile they gave me. So once I got my new smile, I have few tricks that, I mean, yeah, the cost part. So $2,000 is fine. I have already spent $1,500, and the Smile Direct Club, Smile Love thing closed, but that's a content for another video. So after that, I wanted to make sure. Cost for Smile Direct Club is $1,950, but I'm working on few tricks where you can get these aligners under $1,000. This company is not going anywhere. They are not closing their operations all of a sudden, and I'm keep contacting their support and nobody is replying. So I didn't wanted this to happen. So Smile Direct Club, they have a scanning office near my house, so I was assured that they are not going anywhere. They are here to stay. So after that, I wanted to get my invisible braces from Smile Direct Club. I had to take doctor's approval to ensure I do not have any gum disease. I got that approval. Once I shared the approval with the customer support of Smile Direct Club, they gave me a new smile, and this is the video of new smile they gave me. Once they gave me a new smile, I mean digitally, you can clearly see that how the teeth are being aligned. They have to keep my natural bite intact along with making my teeth aligned. So you can see in the video that these are the gaps. These are the gaps which cannot be filled because this is how my teeth are naturally, and if they try to close this gap, it might affect my bite. And if your bite is affected, then your facial structure might change a little, and that the teeth alignment will not be proper, and you can face further complication. So that is also one of the reason why most of the doctor prefer going for traditional braces, because then they can continue monitoring your teeth alignment and ensure that nothing is getting affected, not your bite, and your teeth are getting aligned properly, and they can control every aspect of the teeth movement. But in invisible braces, you get a bundle of package, and then you have to go with that only. So that is the difference between, that's why the doctor suggests also when they go for. So you have to keep visiting doctor to adjust your metal braces and to ensure that your teeth are moving correctly, and that also gives doctor a chance to get the consultation fee. So that is there, and yeah, that is why doctor suggest in most of the cases to go for traditional braces, because in that case they can control every aspect of your teeth movement and they can ensure nothing is gonna go wrong. But in invisible braces, you're gonna get a big box that I will also show you when I place the order. And you have to go for that. You have to keep replacing the metal braces and keep wearing it either night time or in daytime. I also requested them to give me nighttime aligners, but they have suggested me to go for 22 hours braces. So that is also under discussion. I'll tell you what is their response, whether they are gonna give me nighttime aligners or not. So yeah, and I'm also implementing few tricks so that you can get the invisible braces here in USA within $1,000. There are certain things which I can do to get concession from Smile Direct Club, and that can help me reduce the cost from $2,000 to under $1,000. That also I will tell you in the next video. If all my attempts go successful and my cost is coming under $1,000, that also I will tell you in the coming future videos. So thanks for watching. I hope this information might have helped you in selecting the invisible braces and understanding the cost aspect of these all braces. So thanks for watching. Please put down your comments in the comment section below, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.